Niimbot thermal label printers are known for their compact design, wireless convenience, and high-quality printing, making them ideal for organizing homes, offices, classrooms, and small businesses. With user-friendly mobile apps and ink-free operation, they offer a simple and efficient labeling experience. Here are the top 5 Niimbot thermal label printers to consider in 2026. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Niimbot B1 Thermal Label Printer.
It quickly becomes clear that this compact labeling device is built for anyone who wants to keep everyday items neatly organized without dealing with messy handwriting or bulky equipment. The portable design makes it easy to carry from one workspace to another, while the modern appearance gives it a stylish touch that fits comfortably in both home and professional environments. Whether you are sorting office supplies, managing retail inventory, labeling storage containers, or creating personalized stickers, this printer brings convenience into tasks that often take more time than expected.
One of the standout features is the built-in 1500 milliamp hour rechargeable lithium battery that keeps the printer running for up to 5 hours on a single charge. That means there is no need to keep replacing disposable batteries, making it both economical and practical for frequent use. The automatic power-off function after 15 minutes of inactivity also helps conserve battery life, ensuring the printer is ready when you need it while reducing unnecessary power consumption. Using direct thermal printing technology, the device produces labels without requiring ink, toner, or ribbons. This makes maintenance refreshingly simple while keeping operating costs low over time. The BPA-free thermal printing process is also a thoughtful addition for users who value safer labeling materials. The included self-adhesive labels stick securely to a variety of surfaces, making them suitable for jars, files, shelves, packages, cables, gift boxes, and countless other household or business items. Its compatibility with Bluetooth adds another layer of convenience, allowing users to design and print labels directly from a smartphone without complicated setup procedures. Creating custom labels becomes fast and intuitive, whether adding text, symbols, barcodes, or decorative elements. This flexibility makes the printer equally useful for home organization, classrooms, boutiques, supermarkets, jewelry shops, and small businesses looking to improve efficiency while maintaining a professional appearance. Supporting label widths from 0.8 inch to 2 inches provides excellent versatility for different labeling needs. From tiny identifiers for cosmetic containers to larger shipping or storage labels, the printer adapts with ease. Despite its impressive functionality, the compact dimensions and lightweight construction make it easy to slip into a bag or keep on a desk without occupying valuable space. The durable ABS housing also adds confidence that it can handle regular daily use while maintaining its attractive appearance. Pros: rechargeable battery, inkless printing, Bluetooth control, compact design. Cons: phone dependency, thermal only. Number 4. Niimbot D110 Thermal Label Printer.
Rather than taking up valuable desk space with a bulky labeling machine, this compact model focuses on making organization effortless wherever you are. Designed for everyday convenience, it combines portability, wireless connectivity, and ink-free thermal printing into a lightweight device that fits comfortably in your hand or bag. From sorting kitchen containers and bedroom storage to organizing office files, school supplies, and personal belongings, it turns labeling into a quick and enjoyable task instead of a chore.
The compact ABS construction feels durable while keeping the weight to only 140 grams, making it easy to carry throughout the day. Powered by a built-in 1500 milliamp rechargeable battery, the printer delivers dependable performance between charges and conveniently recharges through a modern Type-C port. A full recharge takes only 3 to 4 hours, allowing you to get back to creating labels without long interruptions. Its operating temperature range also makes it suitable for everyday indoor environments, where reliable performance is important. Printing is handled through thermal technology, eliminating the need for ink cartridges or toner. This not only keeps maintenance simple, but also reduces ongoing operating costs. With a resolution of 203 dpi, labels come out clear and easy to read, making them suitable for names, categories, dates, barcodes, QR codes, and other important information. The supported print width of 8 to 15 millimeters provides excellent flexibility for labeling everything from small storage containers to office folders and classroom materials. Bluetooth connectivity makes the entire experience even smoother by pairing the printer with iOS and Android smartphones through the free Niimbot application. The app includes an impressive collection of templates, fonts, symbols, logos, tables, barcodes, QR codes, emoji, images, timestamps, and even Excel data import support. This wide range of customization options allows users to create labels that are both practical and visually appealing without requiring any design experience. Whether creating professional business labels or colorful household stickers, the process remains fast and intuitive. A particularly thoughtful improvement is the automatic paper rewind system that prevents wasting the first label after loading new paper. Small refinements like this make daily use noticeably more efficient while reducing unnecessary material waste. Since the labels are fixed in length, the printer is optimized for consistent, ready-to-use sticker formats that simplify printing and help maintain clean results every time. Pros: compact design, inkless printing, Bluetooth support, easy templates. Cons: fixed labels, limited width. Number 3. Niimbot D11 Thermal Label Printer. Keeping everyday items neatly labeled becomes much easier with this upgraded portable label maker that combines impressive print quality, wireless convenience, and a compact design into one practical device. Built for people who appreciate organization without unnecessary complexity, it fits comfortably in a pocket or bag while delivering professional-looking labels wherever they are needed. Whether sorting kitchen containers, organizing office supplies, identifying school materials, or managing products for a small business, this printer makes every labeling task feel faster and more enjoyable. One of its biggest improvements is the upgraded 300 dpi printing resolution, producing sharper text and clearer graphics than many standard portable label printers. Names, dates, QR codes, barcodes, symbols, and small images appear crisp and easy to read, helping labels look cleaner and more professional. The included label roll provides 160 ready-to-use labels, allowing users to begin organizing immediately without purchasing additional supplies. Despite its compact size, the printer is packed with thoughtful features that improve everyday usability. Automatic calibration ensures labels are aligned correctly, while the first label is not wasted during loading, reducing unnecessary paper loss. Printing speeds of up to 50 millimeters per second also help complete larger labeling projects more efficiently, making it suitable for busy homes, classrooms, offices, and retail environments. Another practical advantage is the ability to support multiple mobile phones, allowing several users to connect when needed without making the device exclusive to one person. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity keeps operations simple by pairing directly with a smartphone through the dedicated Niimbot application. The app includes a wide selection of creative templates featuring text, symbols, logos, barcodes, QR codes, images, and timestamps, making it easy to personalize every label according to different needs. Designing labels requires very little effort, even for first-time users, creating an experience that feels smooth from setup to final printing. Pros: sharp printing, fast speed, Bluetooth control, compact size. Cons: monochrome only, phone required. Number 2. Niimbot M2 Thermal Label Printer. Moving beyond basic label makers, this model offers a more capable solution for users who need professional quality labels with greater flexibility and dependable performance. Built for commercial environments as well as demanding home and office use, it combines high-resolution printing, thermal transfer technology, and wireless connectivity into a durable machine that handles a wide variety of labeling tasks with ease. From organizing inventory and printing clothing tags to creating product labels and office identification stickers, it delivers consistent results while remaining simple to operate. The sturdy construction immediately gives the impression of a printer designed for frequent use. Although larger than pocket-sized models, its practical dimensions make it easy to place on a desk or workstation without taking up excessive space. A built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides reliable cordless operation, while the modern Type-C charging interface allows quick and convenient recharging in approximately 3 to 4 hours. Whether working from a retail counter, warehouse, office, or workshop, the printer is ready to support long labeling sessions without constant interruptions. One of its strongest advantages is the impressive 300 dpi printing resolution. Text appears exceptionally sharp, while logos, graphics, and barcodes maintain excellent clarity that contributes to a professional presentation. Using thermal transfer printing technology, the printer produces durable labels suitable for demanding business applications, where clear identification and long-lasting readability are important. The generous print width range of 20 to 50 millimeters and printing height up to 240 millimeters provide remarkable flexibility, making it suitable for everything from compact identification labels to larger product and clothing tags. Printing speeds of up to 40 millimeters per second help improve productivity without sacrificing print quality. This balance between speed and precision is especially valuable for businesses that regularly prepare large numbers of labels. Multiple paper feed options, including gap labels, transparent labels, black labels, and black gap labels, further expand compatibility with different labeling requirements, allowing users to adapt the printer for various commercial applications without needing separate equipment. Pros: sharp resolution, thermal transfer, wide compatibility, reliable battery. Cons: heavier build. Number 1, and the winner is Niimbot B21 Pro Thermal Label Printer.
Standing at the top of the lineup, this label printer brings together premium print quality, dependable performance, and an elegant portable design that makes everyday labeling feel remarkably effortless. Built for both business professionals and home users, it delivers the versatility needed to create everything from product labels and barcodes to notes, name tags, and decorative stickers. Its refined appearance is matched by practical functionality, making it an excellent choice for anyone who values organization and professional presentation.
The upgraded 300 dpi printing resolution is one of its most impressive strengths. Every label comes out with crisp text, sharp lines, and detailed graphics that immediately look more polished than standard thermal labels. Whether printing barcodes for inventory, product information for retail shelves, address labels for shipping, or personalized stickers for home organization, the results remain consistently clean and easy to read. The enhanced print quality is especially valuable for businesses where accuracy and presentation leave a lasting impression. Bluetooth connectivity allows wireless printing directly from compatible mobile devices, creating a smooth experience without dealing with unnecessary cables during everyday use. Once paired, users can quickly design and print labels for a wide variety of applications, helping reduce the time spent organizing products, files, storage containers, office supplies, or household items. Its support for both wired and wireless network printing also offers greater flexibility, making it easier to integrate into different work environments depending on individual preferences and workflow. Designed with commercial use in mind while remaining equally practical for personal projects, this printer adapts comfortably to a wide range of labeling needs. Small business owners can efficiently create inventory labels, pricing stickers, packaging labels, and shipping information, while home users can organize kitchens, wardrobes, craft supplies, cables, school materials, and storage boxes with professional-looking results. The printer also supports printing photos, notes, and customized labels, expanding its usefulness far beyond simple text stickers. Pros: premium resolution, wireless printing, business-ready, portable design. Cons: manual feeding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.